Okay guys, so here we are. We have registered our free Instagram account, and in this one I'm going to show you how to navigate around your profile using a desktop version. Okay, so here we are. We're in the back end, we've logged in, and this is what your profile is going to look like when you first sign up. So you're going to get this welcome to Instagram. You're also going to get a little pop-up which will say make the most of Instagram, download it on your smartphone. As I was saying, that's an absolute must, and I'm going to go through with you how it looks on a mobile. But for now, let's focus on this. So adding a profile picture, you click on here. Okay, and what it does is when you register, it will just suggest people for you to follow. Now, this isn't necessarily what you like or, you know, stuff that you're interested in, but it's just the top Instagram accounts all around the world right now. So mostly famous singers, pop stars, movie stars, that kind of stuff, as you can see. And that's what it will do. It will suggest stuff for you. And this is also known as your feed and your timeline as well. So once you start following people, on here will be displayed everyone that you follow, the pictures and videos that they're posting. To go onto your profile, you go, let me guess, this little person right here. You click on the little person, and here we are. So this is my account I've just created, Student100, with the username Student1007. Okay, I haven't posted anything. I've got no followers and no one's following me yet. Okay, and here we are. You know, it says again, start capturing and sharing your moment. Get it on your smartphone, get the app. Always pointing you to get the app. Okay, so this is my profile. I can edit it, and I'll show you how to do it in the future tutorials. If you click on this little heart here, all that does is it just shows you your recent activity, whether someone's liked any of your content, your posts, okay, or if anyone sort of, you know, tagged you in anything. This one here is a way to discover people. So this is the search function. So once you start following people, okay, so let's say you start following a load of singers or, you know, sports athletes, it will then point you and say, you know, because you follow Usain Bolt or David Beckham, you might also be interested in following, you know, Jennifer Ennis or, you know, other sports stars, Ronaldo, those kinds of people. Okay, so this is where you search for people as well. So this is what it looks like. Okay, if I want to search for anyone, let's say I want to search for Richard Branson. Okay, there it is. There's his profile. I click on it. Okay, I want to follow him. Great, fantastic. I'm now following Richard Branson. Now be careful. Let's say certain people, let's say like Lord Sugar, he doesn't officially have an Instagram account. So although there is a profile, it's not actually him because it doesn't have the blue verified icon. So just be careful when you are following and, you know, you think it's a real account of Lord Sugar. It probably isn't. Okay, so make sure that it's got a verified account symbol. So this is where you search and discover people, okay, and their content. So straight away, because I've just followed Richard Branson, you can see it's already suggesting other people. So the Real Kiyosaki, Brian Tracy, Zig Ziglar, you know, all these people, Tony Robbins, of course, all these people that are probably related to Richard Branson, successful entrepreneurs in the business space, that kind of stuff. Okay, to go back to your timeline, you would click Instagram on this little camera, and I'm back to my timeline. Okay, and that is pretty much how you navigate Instagram on a desktop. Very simple. All of these icons at the bottom is just, you know, normal stuff that nobody ever really reads. Let's be honest. Okay, but yeah, that's pretty much how you navigate. You go to your profile, and that's it.